Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today's Wednesday, February 9th. Let's find out what is in our number corner for the day. As we check out our calendar, we have noticed that we have a lot of shapes. We've been talking about triangles, rectangles, rhombuses, and even trapezoids this month. What will be on our card for this day? Whoa! Okay. We have two rectangles. So it's the same shape. Are they the same size? One way to check is we have 3 dots here, and we also have 3 dots here on shape A. So it looks like they're the same shape and the same size. Are they congruent, All-Stars? Yes, they are congruent. We have the same shape and we have the same size. So we'll add that to our information here. So we have for today's date, the 9th, that shape A is a rectangle. And then shape B is also a rectangle. The rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices, and it is congruent. Same shape, same size. They are congruent. As we continue with our activities, we're going to go to our days in school. We'll add another day to it. Oh my goodness, we're getting closer to the 100th day of school. Now we are at the 96th day of school. We made a group of 5 here, and I need to mark that we've made another group of 5. So 96 days in school. We'll change everything here to reflect the number 96. Change that. Change it here. Change it here. Now that we have 9 dimes, 1 nickel, which is equal to 5 cents, we now have to add 1 penny. We have included now 1 penny that we're adding here to make the number 96. And that also means we need to add on 1 more cube. Let me erase that. It looks bigger than the others, and they're all supposed to be the same size. 96 cubes here. 96 days in school. We're getting close to 100. Very close to 100. If we have 96 and we're trying to get to 100, let's think about it. We have, and I'll go back to this chart. I think it would help. 97, 98, 99, 100. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 more days of school until the 100th day of school. Incredible. Incredible. All right, All-Stars, we've been adding cubes to our collection. What will we have today? Let's spin our spinner and find out. 7! All right. So we'll add on 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, we almost have another group of 10 here. Very nice. Very, very nice. All-Stars, I do want to talk to you about one thing. I know we actually worked together to add 3 numbers together, but this day I'm going to change the number. We have 5 here, so I'm going to make it 6, 7 here. And I'm going to change this so we'll have, that's 5, 6, 7, 8 here. And We'll change this one. We'll make it 3. I'll put it down on the bottom. Very good. So now we have the following numbers. We have 7 plus 8 plus 3. Ooh, juicy, juicy. I love math. Love figuring out these tricky equations. 7 plus 8 plus 3. Ooh, juicy, juicy equation here. Again, All-Stars, remembering what we've talked about. Think about what we have said where we add one set of numbers together that will equal 10. What two numbers can we add together that will equal the number 10? What two numbers can we add together that will equal the number 10? Is it 7 plus 8? Will that equal 10? Nah. What about 8 plus 3? Will that equal 10? Or will 7 plus 3 equal 10? If you said 7 and 3, you are correct. 7 plus 3 would equal 10. We'd have 10 by adding those two numbers plus the number 8. 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8 equals 18. So we'd have 18 all together here. Again, dears, we are practicing different ways to add on what we call our magical wall. What I'd like you to do right now, dears, is focus on counting from the number 100 all the way up to the number 120, and then start at the number 120 and count back until you get to the number 100. I know you can do it. I believe in you, All-Stars. Have an amazing day. Off you go.